Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing a haul. Excuse me, I'm a little bit of a boogered up little kid today. So, yeah, going to do a haul. And if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're a comer backer, please like and comment. And if you are in the path of this storm, stay safe. We will all be praying for you, and yeah, just don't do anything crazy out there. Do the best you can. I know it's a crazy situation. So I'm going to get into the haul because my husband will be walking in the door anytime. So I got 4 containers of Happy Belly chicken broth on Amazon. Subscribe and save. It is pretty reasonably priced, a lot of their Happy Belly products. So I would do subscribe and save, and then you can cancel it or skip it or whatever you want. I was able to find another ham at Walmart, so I picked up one of these. They were $3.57. I got 4 packages of onion soup and dip mix. It's like the Lipton, and it was I think $1 a pack on subscribe and save. You saved between 5 and 15%, and then if you go on the home page, at the very top you'll see various sections you can go to, and one of them will say coupons. Click on that, and if you're looking for groceries or whatever, scroll through it, and then you can find coupons on maybe products you want or need. So there's that. So and you can save 5 to 20 and sometimes more percent on some products. I got these also on Amazon, and they are the floss picks. I got the Happy Belly thin wheat crackers. These are like wheat thins. I think they were $2 something a box, which is way cheaper than wheat thins at the store. I got some candy at Target. There doesn't seem to be a candy shortage like they said, so I got some Tootsie Roll Pops. These were, I think, $2.99 for a 10.125 ounce package. I got the Reese's 45 pieces. It has all different flavors in it. And I don't know about you guys, but have you had a Reese's lately? They taste different to me. I got the chunky beef chili with no beans from Hormel. This was $2.37, I believe. It's getting way too expensive. I got some white chicken chili. I thought I'd try it, see if it's as good as my homemade. I got some jarred tomatillo because I want to make some hot sauce with these Morita dried chilies. I got these on Amazon. These are just smoked jalapenos. And I have a bunch of red jalapenos in my freezer. Still trying to figure out what I'm going to do with those, and then I'll do a video. I got these at Target. They were on sale for $1.99. They are caramel bits, so can use those in baking and stuff this holiday or whatever I come up with. I got 2 cans of the diced ham. This is also from Walmart. I got this on Amazon. It was $4, so that's $1 a can. Yeah, expensive, but it's cream style corn, which is kind of willy-nilly to find here. So I wanted to go ahead and get it because I like to use that in my cornbread. I got this at Walmart. It's the Great Value brand corned beef hash, and it was $2.58, which is cheap for that size of corned beef hash. I got this at the fair, some chow chow, because my cabbage didn't do anything. So this is good in beans and stuff in the winter. I got these Archway cookies. They were on sale at Walmart from, I think it said 5 something, down to $1.97 or something like that. It said I saved over $3, which is crazy. Same with the molasses cookies. I couldn't find the ones with the icing. I like the ones with the icing. I was wanting the lemon cookies. Can't find lemon cookies anywhere. Either the kind with the powdered sugar or the soft ones with the icing. Can't find them anywhere. I got another box of my favorite instant mashed potatoes, Hungry Jack. I got these crispy onion strings seasoned with garlic and black pepper for $1.19 at Target. And the same with the wonton strips. These, I think, are sold as salad toppers, but these wonton strips are really good if you want to make like a egg roll in a bowl. I got these Werther's soft caramel apple candies at Target. I guess they're a limited edition, but they sounded yummy, so I'll be mealing or vacuum sealing those. I got these at Target. They're chow mein stir fry noodles. I got this at Target. It's Mexican oregano. I used the rest of mine in the Chipotle beef canning project. I got a 12-pack of pineapple. It was on sale on Amazon, so I did it through Subscribe and Save, and I cannot remember what I paid for it. But my husband's an apple, orange, banana guy. He won't eat pears, peaches, anything like that. But as far as canned fruit goes, he likes pineapple, and we go through a lot of it. I got this Parmesan cheese. I've been buying this a lot, but this isn't grated. I thought it says grated, but it's pretty powdery. So I have the other jars that actually are grated. I got 3 packages of the egg noodles at Target. They were $1.29 a package, which was way cheaper than the name brands. And I got salted cashews. These are $7 and change on Subscribe and Save. It's a 1-pound bag. The 2-pound bag ones are like $18 and change now. And I got a 1-pound bag of smoked almonds. These are way cheaper. They were, I think, $4 something on Subscribe and Save. And without Subscribe and Save, they're $6 and change. These honey roasted peanuts for 2 pounds, 10 ounces are $6 and change on Amazon Prime or Subscribe and Save. And the same with the roasted and salted peanuts, 2 pounds, 12 ounces. So almost 3 pounds for just under $7. So my husband got his nuts this time. And I got the Amazon Basics 5-blade razor with 16 cartridges. So if you need to stock up on your shaving needs, this is the cheapest way to go. So I did that. So, yep. And even if, you know, those men out there that say they won't shave during an SHTF, well, if you get a wound or something, or your dogs or anything like that, you're still going to need to shave around that and clean it. And then last but not least, I got some more seeds for this spring. I got some San Marzano tomato seeds. I got Jim pepper, so some pepper seeds. The writing's so small I couldn't read it. Need my little magnifying thing. I got some paprika pepper seeds and some hatch pepper seeds. So it sounds like hubby is home. You all stay safe. You stay healthy. I'm going to get out of here and see you in the next video.